Imagine a world where your contribution not only grow but also drive innovation. Technology tokens offer this unique opportunity, blending reward growth with sustainable advancements. Curious? Let's show you how to buy technology tokens. Visiting the One Small Town website, onesmalltown.org, go to the menu and click on Token Participation, Technology Tokens and Crowdfunding. Important notice: before proceeding, take a moment to read the technology token prospectus. Read the motivation. The One Small Town initiative has access to a growing number of leading technologies that will revolutionize various sectors of society. Understand the technologies to be funded and the benefits of the technology token. The technologies to be funded represent a diverse basket of existing and emerging technologies. Discover the benefits for donors. All donors can benefit from the rewards of the many new technologies developed by One Small Town. As these technologies mature and become commercially successful, donors will share in their success. Download the PDF of the prospectus and read it. Ready to make an impact? You need to be a member before you can access the members login section. Click on Login with your registration email and password. Complete your profile to generate a smart contract. This step is crucial for securing your place in the token ecosystem. Let's get you set up. Navigate to My Wallet and familiarize yourself with the functionalities and action buttons. Click on Technology Tokens. Choose between a one-time payment or a monthly subscription. Click on Buy. A token purchase agreement for the technology token will open. You will be purchasing technology tokens at $1 per token in United States dollars for the quantity you specify below. Read the disclaimer, then return to the token purchase agreement to enter the quantity you wish to purchase and click Proceed Agreement. Once you select your option for the OST Technology Token and Reward Agreement, read the agreement till the bottom of the page. This will be your smart contract. On the bottom of the page, you will have the option to accept or cancel the agreement. By click on No Longer Interested or I approve this agreement, you will be redirected to choose payment method. Click on Finalize Agreement. When you choose the technology token as a one-time payment, a pop-up will appear with the following message: you choose to make an EFT, electronic funds transfer. You must complete the payment within 48 hours. Click OK to proceed. You have the following payment option: make a wire or electronic fund transfer using the payment reference provided. You could also pay via your Wise account, ensuring the payment reference is included in the description field. You could also pay with card, Stripe, by select this option if you prefer to use a credit or debit card. Print the payment page or save it to your device for reference. Ensure that your payment is processed correctly by using the correct reference number. If you selected a subscription, you can only pay by card. A subscription means a monthly contribution. Need help? Our support team is just an email away. support.platform@onesmalltown.org. Click on the Wise link, copy the payment reference number, and insert it into the description field of your Wise transaction. This will help us reconcile the payment in the Wise account. Continue with the payment steps in Wise to complete the transaction. Always allow pop-ups when choosing to pay by card. After completing the payment, you can disable pop-ups if you wish. You can use a card for a one-time payment. However, for the subscription option, payment is only available via the Stripe payment gateway. Click on Buy under the Technology Token Monthly Subscription option. Enter the quantity you wish to purchase as a monthly subscription. Then click Process Agreement. The Stripe payment gateway will open in a new page to complete your transaction. You will be redirected to the Stripe payment gateway to checkout. Please ensure that your browser's pop-ups are enabled to access Stripe, where you can enter your card details and complete the payment. Congratulations! You've taken a step towards innovation with your new tokens. Celebrate your contribution to a brighter future. Together, let's drive change and make a lasting impact. Remember, Technology Token. The Technology Token is a generic token that represents a basket of existing and new OST technologies. Donors can align their generic technology tokens with any of the new technologies as they become available. All of this takes place in your private OST digital wallet. This is crowdfunding with a real benefit. See you in the next video.